Hello everybody and welcome to Sports Vehicle Performance, and today we are back with our Porsche 997 Cayman project. Today we're going to be getting it wrapped. So we've got a big longer list of bits to go ahead and remove from this vehicle, so let's go take a look. So starting off on the front, we've got to go ahead and remove the front bumper, also the headlights, and along with the wrap on the bonnet. So we've got to go ahead and remove the badge, take this off, and hopefully it won't look too bad. Now we're going to move on to the doors. So now onto the side of the car, we've got to go ahead and remove the door handles both sides. This means we've got to go ahead and strip the interior door cards off. It's kind of a long job, but we've got to do it. And then also these vents on the side, and along with it, we've got to clear up some of the surface rust that can be seen here. Now onto the back. Now onto the back, we've got to go ahead and remove the Cayman badge here, along with the spoiler that comes out, the rear bumper, so that also includes the number plates as well, front and rear, and we can't forget about the tail lights. And that will do for the whole car. So as you can see, there's a lot to get off this car. We are going to start off with the wrap on the front here, get this off, see what it looks like underneath, and then get on with everything else. Everybody and welcome back. So just gotten to a point here, I'm going to show you what we've been doing, what we've been getting up to. So as you may notice, the bonnet, the wrap is finally off it. It's definitely not as bad as we thought it was going to be. I'd say someone sanded it down prior to the wrap and primered it and stuff like that. Basically what we're doing with the rest of the car at the minute. Looks like someone's already done that. So yeah, it's not too bad. The only thing I would say is the badge. I'm not sure if you can see that, but part of the badge unfortunately came off, which is quite common with Porsche badges. They aren't the best sort of held together and stuff like that, so they have unfortunately left basically part of like the bolt together, but it's not the best anyway. So that's just one thing we've got to get out of there. As you can see as well, the front bumper is off it. That's another job. Headlights, they're all out. Front bumper's not too bad as well, wasn't too bad to get out in the end, which is always good. It's also the same with the rear bumper. The rear bumper is also off now, so if you have a look down here, you can see it there. So that's all good. So yeah, a lot of it's all apart. We've also taken off the badging at the back. So as you can see, we've already started doing some of the work. There's actually filler primer, which is why it's like this, why it's the yellow color. The reason we're using filler primer is trying to get it as smooth as possible in places like this where we need it. So this actually happened when the badge came off. Unfortunately, there was a lot of like surface corrosion under the badge. So we thought the best thing to do was just sand it back and then primer it and prep it and stuff like that. So that's what we've been doing with the whole car basically at the minute. Any non-flat surfaces and stuff that need sanding down, any surface corrosion areas as well, all of them have all been done. So just like this rear arch here, we've done up in this corner here. This one had quite a bad little spot, which wasn't that noticeable, but once you started digging, you can find it quite easily. Also have where these grills are as well, the vents in the corner. This whole section was really going badly. I'm not sure if you saw from some of the older videos of this car, you can see how bad they were. And of course up here in this front arch as well, all the way down, especially this back corner here of the arch. This was all really bad as well. So we've had to spend a while cleaning all that up, but now we're going to get on with hopefully stripping the door cards and also completing the other side. So if I show you here, you can see this side still needs doing. You can see all the surface corrosion in this corner here. So that's what we're going to get on with now and hopefully sort it out before the car gets wrapped. Hello everybody and welcome back. So we've been quite hectic at the minute. We've gone ahead and finally started putting the wrap on. As you can see, it's on the roof now. It is an emerald green. That is the colour we have gone for. I'm not sure why you can see that, but that's the colour we've chosen, and that's finally started going on. We've been a bit hectic this morning, trying to get everything off the car. Meantime, I've been doing the door handles. As you can see, these are out of the car now, so all the door cards are off. They're all out of the way. The fuel filler cap is also all off, and also the front and rear bumpers have been put back on. This is to make it easier when we are wrapping the car. So yeah, a lot has been going on. But yeah, the wrap is finally starting to go on as well, which is always a positive. Which can't wait to get the rest of the car now done, and hopefully I'll see you later when the wrap is finally on the vehicle. So yeah, see you in a bit. Well, as you can see, the car is now done. Well, majority of it is complete. We've got a few external bits going on outside the workshop at the minute that need to come back before we can put the car back together. But just thought we'd show you this quick update video. We're still getting on with the project, and this is just the wrapping of it. We've got a few bits to finish off before it's done cosmetically, but we're going to go through that in our next video, in which we're going to go through a few of our future plans with the car as well, so a few interesting things that we've got planned for it, so hopefully you'll enjoy that. But yeah, just a short video showing you where we're at. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and stay tuned for the next video, but otherwise we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.